So hi guys, today is Friday, it's the last day of home learning today. We've completed week 1. Sort of. It's been an absolute nightmare. The kids don't listen, they don't want to do their schoolwork. The attitude and fighting all the time, it's been a disaster. So it's now, just coming up to 4 o'clock. Birds are now out. We've got Mango, and you've got Tilly, and then you have Kiwi. So all 3 have come out to play. They were very excited to come out. They find it extremely hard being stuck in their cage all day, which is a massive change for them, because when we've got the laptops and everything out, I'm just going to clean my camera, hold on. When we've got the laptops and everything out, people don't want to see your clip on, Charlie. When we've got the laptops and everything out, Kiwi flies into the laptops and he tries to operate them. His favourite word at the minute is Alexa, so he continuously operates Alexa. So that's his deactivator. But now the birds are all lying around playing with all their lovely new toys from Scarlett's Parrots Essentials. I've got a couple of new ones hanging up. I've got that one there and a shreddable husk there that I'm going to hide some treats in and they can try and find it. I've got some new toys in their cages. I'm going to show you. We've got this new big huge toy here. It's got some leather straps. Some rawhide that I don't know how they're going to eat that, but I don't even know if it's going to be okay. We've got some new perches. The wooden bits on here I've actually raised up so Kiwi was able to get in. He actually likes that new toy. We've got that lovely little new toy there for him to shred. So that's quite a good little toy. And also got lots of toys down on the bottom there. They've got some new toys. We've got another one of those in there for them to chew on the leather straps. They've got that big one there for them to chew and shred. You guys have seen the little balls before. They actually really enjoy the balls. Cockatiels have got some new toys as well. So they're quite happy. We've actually swapped the cages around, guys, so that Mango and Tilly are in the big cage. We have now put up the play stand. Mango was playing on that earlier on. Tilly's still a little bit unsure about flying down to come and see it. But they're happy now that they're out. Oh, what's going on with my camera today? I don't know what's wrong with this one today, but he's been absolutely horrible. But the birds seem to be happy now, so that's the main thing. It's just a bit... It's late for them to come out. Because they're going to be out now till about 10 o'clock tonight, so...
Mom.
To make up their playtime times. Bless them. So you good boys and Mango. Say Mango. Say hi. Say hi. Say good boy. Hi. He lifts his foot up when he wants to say hi as well, guys. Tilly's chewing my blinds and my wallpaper over there. Tilly! Oh no, it's not. That's Tilly playing with the beads.
Yeah!
What are you doing? And that's Kiwi eating my blinds and my wallpaper. So I've got to go and get him. So I'll do another video update, guys. Let me know how your lockdown's going and how your pets and your children are handling and coping with everything. If you're like me, it's very stressful. So yeah, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Hopefully we could do some training over the weekend. Are you dancing, Kiwi? Are you dancing, Kiwi?
Oh, bye, Pooey.
Are you dancing, Kiwi?
Bye, Pooey.
See you later, guys.